Now let's unpack the light that's going to be replaced. Okay, here's a look at the light I'm going to be installing. We'll go ahead and disassemble the glass portion so we can get the styrofoam out. You have two screws, one on this side, one on the opposite side. These are very small recess screws. You want to make sure you hang on to these. There's another one on the opposite side. You want to hold the globe to keep it from falling off. Once you unscrew this screw here, it'll just slide right off. So now you have the globe separate that you could put on at the end. The mounting bracket is on the back. You'll have 4 recess screws, 2 on each side. Once you get the bracket mounted to the house. So we'll take this off by removing the 4 screws. These recess screws are just a little bit longer than the other ones, so you'll know which one goes to what part of the fixture. Now you have the mounting bracket. You want to make sure you know that this side faces up against the house. The thing I like about this light is it has a hanger that you can hang this onto the box itself to allow you to connect the wires together before you mount it to the plate. Okay, you want to pull your wires through. And I'm going to mount this to this vinyl box. Again, a couple of things to note is this bracket here needs to be sticking out on this side where you can mount the fixture itself. And it's got a taper, larger up here at the top and smaller down here. So make sure the small taper is facing the bottom. Got a couple of these hex screws to mount the plate. So we'll get the screws started and then level it up. Put your small level on the top. The light has this hanger that you can see here to allow you space to wire it. Then you could hide the wires inside. Then you want to place the 2 countersunk screws on each side to hold up the fixture. Once you get the 2 on the one side, it'll hold up to allow you to do the other side. Now we just have to put the globe on. So these lights are very high quality, like the black matte finish, and they're the perfect size. Okay, these are the 2 lanterns I installed on the front porch to match the 2 on each side of the garage door. So I highly recommend these lights.